everyone, welcome to Geospatial World. Today we have with us Krishanu Acharya, CEO and co-founder Suhora Technologies. He is also supporting us at the Indo-Pacific Geointelligence Forum 2025, which is going to be held on 4th and 5th March. Welcome to Geospatial World.
Thank you. Thank you.
So my first question is, what are the products and services that Suhora is offering, and what makes them stand out in the crowd?
So we as a company focus to bring three products. One, bringing Earth observations product in one single place. So any users who wants to access Earth observations data, say satellite data or say alien data or say some GHG sensors data, they can access to our platform called Spade. That's a aggregations of these many sensors. To be specific, more than 250 plus sensors. Those are opticals, are thermals, etc. So you can access those data from that platform with a bare minimum subscription fees of $5,000. That's available for across the use cases and across the boundaries. Means it can be accessed not only for Indian users, also outside users as well. But we are very focused towards Indian use cases at this moment. So that's our first product. Second, as space surveillance, and if you bring the near real timeness to the satellite data and make it available to the user very timely manner. So the defense intelligence stand out to be the highest I'll say focus point where this can be fed and can be utilized, right? So obviously defense is our another focus area. So that's talks about our second product called Mirka. That's our ISR product. So imaging, surveillance, and reconnaissance is being done through that platform. It gives access to these array satellites that Spade already has, and it also comes with detection classifications capability for maritime and terrain both. And we also in parallel to the iMint capabilities that Mirka brings, we also have a proactive monitoring product called MapView. That's part of the one of the plugin in Mirka, by the way. So it sees all the sensitive area of actions, sees and identifies the changes at the speed of it happens, make it available to the users in a manner they like to consume with alert, etc. And it also can trigger for further investigations to those complications it might be in some of the complicated areas. So that's our second product. And third, of course, again, if you see this space surveillance with its mightiness of bringing it near real time manner, disaster monitoring is becomes obviously another I'll say organic area, right? So SID is our third product that we've been working silently for quite a few years. So what we're doing in SID, we are bringing again these satellites to any of the events, any of these kind of say disaster events happens across the places. We are right now focused in India and surrounding countries, but this can literally see and observe and monitor any events, any disaster events happens in the globe, across the globe. It gives you an eye in the time when in the golden hours when some decision to be made on the ground, and that also coupled with analytics, a lot of analytics like say the affected areas, affected buildings where the humans are trapped, or even the roads which got submerged because of certain say flood inundations, etc. So those are the three products that we are working.
So what is the vision for 2030?
So 5 years, right? So we definitely are looking to become and go into IPO. Our vision is to make the surveillance available to the global users, where any decision is made, be it say simple a human who is taking decisions for his humanly activities, or a government who needs to decide because of some geopolitical situations, national security requirement. They use these three products for their say resource allocations, taking decisions and taking the crucial decisions. So IPO and making it available to the global users. I think this is my vision.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Amit.
Hi.
Welcome to Geospatial World. Amit is the COO and co-founder of Suhora Technologies. The core part of your products has been defense and intelligence.
Yes.
How big a role it plays when it comes to the role of satellite when it comes to defense and technology, the role of
The product that you're talking about is called Mirka. So it's a it utilizes multiple inputs from multiple sensors. So most of these are satellite based inputs. These can be optical satellites, synthetic aperture radar satellites, radio frequency satellites, and then you have AIS, and a lot of other inputs are there. So idea is not just have these together in one place, but to make sense of the situation for our defense forces, for our strategic locations, and to be aware of those changes that are happening. When you talk about, say, maritime, for example, so we have ability to cover vast areas of ocean, to track and surveil over many types of assets. So the combination of these sensors helps us to get to a picture which gives you an understanding of any kind of risk which might be there in key areas of, say, transits, utilizing satellite imagery for these kind of awareness and situational awareness effects. So this is what we are doing in defense as of today.
what are the recent achievements, big achievements that have been a part of the impact it has been made an impact in Suhora Technologies?
There have been quite a few events in 2024 which kind of have been important for Suhora. Signing capacity agreements with major OEMs has been one of those, and we launched a platform called Spade. It's a multi-sensor aggregation platform where anybody can task a satellite using this platform. Apart from this, we have been expanding our team to focus more on research and development and the cutting edge technologies.
What are your views on the next generation geointelligence?
Yeah, so this is a very exciting area for Suhora. So next generation geointelligence, things which were not we were not able to visualize before, that these are the things are capable, can be done at a global scale, now can be done at a global scale. The amount of crunching of data that can be done using current technologies was not possible before. So this is an exciting time, and this is with the new technologies that we are utilizing, being able to utilize all those sensors and data sets to be able to create a situational awareness very quickly is something excites us.
Thank you so much for joining
Thank you for
Geospatial
inviting
World.
me. Thank you.